Assalamualaikum dear viewers, you are watching IBAN News Network. This is Mushtaq Ali Baba. Program is Special Meet, and in our today's Special Meet program, I have a special guest, Kashmir Care Group. It is a group which is working a lot during this pandemic. They are just separating awareness. They are contributing a lot. They have organized so many medical camps in different areas, and they stand back to the government. They have provided a crucial role in this pandemic. We salute their work, we appreciate their work. But what is Kashmir Care Group? How many persons are working in this group, and how they are managing the budget, and how they separate the awareness, how they educate the persons? I have with me one of the senior doctor of this group, that is Dr. Samina Basu. Samina, welcome.
Thank you.
First of all, my first question is, you have done a tremendous job during this pandemic. I salute your work, and even every Kashmiri is nowadays appreciating your hard work and dedication, appreciating your crucial role which is in different areas. So first I want to know, what is this Kashmir Care Group?
See, Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See, this Kashmir Care is actually a non-profit initiative which has been created by Mrs. Nadima Nazir, and under this we have large people from all sections of community, be it from the hospitality, be it doctors, professionals, lawyers, paramedical staff, even the journalists. So they all are contributing, and we have got it under a common head so that together we contribute and make things happen for the cause of COVID, which has created a tremendous loss economically, health wise. So we want to address to that issue.
When was this group formed?
This is a very recent foundation. We have just started 2 months back, and Alhamdulillah, in these 2 months, we have almost done more than 5 to 6 such camps and drives. So what we have done, we have taken it very stepwise manner, and we are all the people who are involved in this are physically very much doing the work in the field and behind the scene, because this thing needs contribution from both the sides. Regarding the physical thing, we are a team which is headed by doctors. We have 2 3 doctors, paramedical staffs, and volunteers. We are free, doing it all free of cost. It's just for the people we are here. So we alhamdulillah, we are able to do 5 drives in whole of the Kashmir Valley. One was at SMHS, other was at Kupwara, Anantnag, Kolgam. So there the response was very good. But all this has been done in association with the government. They have been very kind enough. They have shown lot of cooperation and coming forward and welcoming us.
So government is showing positive response wherever you went. Just like today, you have organized a camp here in Kupwara, Farflang area.
Yes.
How is the cooperation of administration? How is the support of police department, revenue, and other district administration?
They have very much cooperated. See, it's basic what we have done. We have first communicated with them and told them what is our initiative and what we are all about regarding this COVID vaccination and prevention of COVID. So they have alhamdulillah contributed, cooperated, been with us, and we have in a way aided their work, how to convince the people, how to prevent this disease and step forward for the vaccination. So alhamdulillah, they have contributed quite well. So now this drive which we have started, it's first kind of its drive done by any organization. It is basically to make people aware of this COVID vaccination to be taken. See, we are facing lot of opposition from all sections. Even the educated people, they are not coming forward for this vaccination. They have some misconceptions which they have read through social media. So we thought that it is very beneficial, it will be very beneficial if we come down to these far areas, sit among the people, communicate with them, clear their misconceptions, answer their queries. That way I think it is possible to convince, because basically we want to convince them so that we come forward. See, taking by force we can't do, the government can't do, and we doctors we can't do. So the only thing which remains is to sit with them. So that is why we have chosen this far flung area of Watergam to convince the people. And here alhamdulillah, our camp has been so successful. We have already done more than 100 vaccinations till now, and we are after that, we to boost their immunity, we have given them multivitamins. along, and we have sort of promised them that with their cooperation, seeing this, we will organize further camps for chronic prevalent diseases in the society, like we have hypertension, diabetes, and we have females who are with anemia in these far flung areas. So this we are going to carry on, and the response which we have got by doing such kind of a work is tremendous, and this brings us more forward, and it has got us more faith in what we are doing.
Dr. Samina Basu, how is this Kashmir Care Group different from different NGOs?
See, the main difference is that we come in the field. In the field means the professionals. So we have professional doctors, health personnels without any kind of incentive. It is just our conscience which makes us do this work, and do this work to the deepest extent, to the grassroots level. See, coming here to peripheries means you are touching the people in far flung areas who don't have much touch with the media, who are uneducated, they are unaware of the things happening around them regarding this COVID vaccine. So that is why it makes us different. See, in the cities, usually people have resources. Many organizations are doing their beautiful work. So we thought, why not pick up this area? That makes us different. And going door to door vaccination. So that makes it different. So this thing, and we are not, as I previously, it's not an NGO. It's just we have some people or different professionals under one category. That makes it different. So for example, a person from hospitality, he will address to the people who are involved in tourism. The medical personnel, they get the people, the paramedical staff, the technicians. A person who is a lawyer, when he is in our group, he takes the same message to his colleagues. So that's how this is different.
How did you work? How did your team work? And how you are separating the awareness among the masses?
Yes. See, what we are doing, we have, first of all, we got connected with Mohalla communities, with certain NGOs, through which we were providing them with concentrators, with these masks, sanitizer. We have already distributed so many medical kits or PPEs to different hospitals, to different districts in the valley. So that is one kind of awareness. Another is that we make them aware verbally. We communicate with them, and also at the same time, like for example, in a hospital, we were in SMHS hospital or sub district Kulgam, we distributed our volunteers COVID kits among the patient attendants who are present in the COVID hospital, because they are also at high risk. It needs to be addressed. So by this way, we are categorizing each section which gets this infection. Even if we are, I would say, even if Kashmir Care is able to provide or to facilitate the vaccination or help in prevention, if in a one family, that means we are spreading the word into a community, and as such, this is what we need. We need herd community. I think this is how we can achieve it.
People want to know, not especially I am talking about those, if you are doing something, definitely there is criticism, there is trolling stem is there.
Very true.
One thing is there, they will not work by themselves, nor they will not allow us to work. So this is something different. But we want to know how you manage the finance.
See, as I before told you, this is the people who are involved in this group. They contribute and they facilitate.
Personalities.
Yes, some personally, there are many businessmen. There are high professionals. There are various journalists are there. So they belong to different professions who want to contribute and want to get the message across the community, across the valley in this way. That is what we are facilitating.
One more important question I want to ask you. Now, your drive, your mission is not limited to distribution of face masks, distribution of sanitizers. Now you are distributing medical equipment, or now you have also started this vaccination drive. So what you can say, what's your future mission now?
Yes, see, now the need of the moment is vaccination. Now with the second wave, as we have seen what has happened, so we need people to have mass vaccinations to get herd immunity, so that the life goes on. A common person has suffered already. This way we want to address that, and at the same time we want to make them aware that there might be a third wave. So at the time of third wave, they should be ready. They will be ready with what? What are their weapons? That is prevention, that is vaccination. So
About which you are separating the awareness.
we are separating awareness about the third wave COVID, which is most likely anticipated. And this third wave, there have been studies done that this might this time cause more drastically among children. So if, for example, if we make the head of the family aware that there is a risk involved for his family in the third wave, so definitely he will take precaution and go for his vaccination. So by that we save a family. This is what we are all about.
What is your now last message to the general masses? If anyone wants to, any professionalist, any personality wants to join you, they want to work with you. So, what will be the special message to them?
See, we would welcome them with open arms who want to, just because of their conscience tells them to do so. It's a very pure, sincere kind of an effort we are doing. We will welcome them and get them involved. The more people come into this group, the more stronger the message goes, and it will definitely help us all to.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So this was Samina, Dr. Samina Basu. She is one of the core member of this Kashmir Care Group, which is a non-profiting group. It is different like that of NGO. So here she clearly mentioned here that non-profiting group. It is a non-profiting agency. If among you, if somebody is ready to work with them as a volunteer is there, or if somebody wants to contribute something, so definitely you can contact the patron of this group, that is Nadima Nazir. So definitely you will also be in a position to help these people, to help this group. You keep watching IBAN News Network. This is Mushtaq Ali Baba. Khuda Hafiz.